Good morning! Welcome sa aming vlog. Today is Sunday, guys, and here's my daughter here. She's trying to wake up, and maghintay lang ako kailan talaga siya kikising. So today, I don't think if we're going to church. So, kasi maliit pa siya, guys, eh. Plano ko sanang magpunta kami ng church when she is 3 months older, but ngayon nasa 2 months pa lang siya, guys. So, and the winter is not yet over, so saka na lang pag matapos na tong winter, kasi ang dami nagkakasakit ngayon. But anyway, here she is, guys. Pinatagilid ko siya ng konti para hindi masyadong mainit or masakit yung likod niya. But anyway, magdadala kami today, magdadrive lang kami doon sa mga countryside, and maybe punta kami doon sa bahay ng kapatid ko. But titingnan natin kung anong magagawa namin doon sa aming paglalakbay today. So actually, plano kong magdala ng tuyo para magluto kami ng tuyo doon. So we'll see. It's been a while, guys, hindi pa kami nakakain ng tuyo kasi winter, and bawal kami magluto sa loob ng bahay kasi nga mabaho. Ayaw ng asawa, mabaho. Tagal pa naman matanggal yung baho, guys. So hinintay ko talaga hanggat sa matapos tong winter na to, and so far this week maganda yung weather. So gusto ko sanang, plano ko talaga magluto ng tuyo sa labas, but wala, na busy lang. Kaya ngayon pagkakataon ko nang makapunta dun sa kapatid ko, and nasa countryside kasi sila, guys, so maganda magluto sa labas, yung baho nawawala agad. Kaya sulitin ko na today, magdala ako ng tuyo, doon ko lulutuin, and syempre mag-share kami para meron din siyang makain. Alright, guys, we are close to my sister's house and my husband, and the baby is behind.
So when you love and have faith in Christ is right now, and you want to pray for them, and just
This is
lift your hands and I say, I want to pray for somebody I love. There's so many people.
the road is like very country, and they lives in a small town. So see you there. Alright, guys, so we stop here at the gas station because my husband need to go to the bathroom, but we are very, very close to my sister's house. This is their small town right here. So yeah, I remember when I was here, I remember when I was living with them, I always go out because they lives in a very small town, and most part is a countryside. So I go out and drive around, and I go to Walmart, I go to clothing store, and I loved it so much. Now that we live in the city and we have a little girl, and sooner, maybe next year or maybe end of this year, hopefully, but I can guarantee probably it's next year, we're gonna buy a house to the countryside, because right now we live in the city, and I want to move to the countryside because we had a daughter now, and I don't want her to grow up in the city. It's better to grow up in the countryside, so it's away from you know, like how do you call it, away from bad people, I guess. So anyway, so we are here, and in the back of the car, guys, is so crowded because we are giving that chair, it's a rocking chair. I'm going to give it to my sister, And there is also here where you can put your feet on or rocking in it. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Guys, we're here. We're home. Charot.
Home.
So we are here. You ready, babe?
Yeah. Just a second. I'm gonna have Sarah first.
Okay.
Here's Elijah.
So hi guys. Now it is time for me to cook my dried fish. So I got 3 different kind of dried fish here. So let's go. Yan. Hi guys, so nandito na ako guys, magluto ako ng tuyo. So dito ako sa labas. Ayan. Okay guys, so ito yung ating tuyo. Number 1, pinikas siya nga bulad. Pura. Ayan. So here's the tuyo guys. Ayan. Isod ka na hindi takaluto eh. So dagan-dagan kog lutoon karon nga bulad. Kay sagana ko kumanghod. Nagpaluto siya isa ka buok. So here's my tuyo. Done. Ganito yung life sa Amerika. Hindi ka pwedeng magluto sa ito yung luto na. Yan, may luto na ako dito. Sa itaning wala tayo. So guys, perting hangina and perting tagnawat. Nakatira siya sa isang tawag nito, trailer home. Pero this is temporary. Meron silang malaking bahay dati guys. Bininta nila dahil mahal po yung mortgage nila. So, tumira lang sila dito ng pagsamantala. And then I think they are going to build a house here where, you know, where the empty spot in the back. So that's where they're going to build their home. But I think they're planning on it probably next year. So, yeah. Ang gusto ko kasi dito magluto kasi nasa labas at saka ano lang to yung hangin ba, pero ngayon kasi malamig kasi hindi pa tapos yung winter. But anyway, is talaga yan, nandito yung ating niluto guys. Yan yung pinakaunang tuyo na piniprito ko. Mallet daw, mallet, banak yung tawag ng tuyo na to. Pa akong 3 klaseng tuyo na yung dala ko. So mamaya pagkatapos ito lutuin ko rin yun. So guys, so malapad siya. Para siyang galunggong. Pero mas malapad siya konti sa galunggong. So meron siyang sa isang plastic. Meron siyang 4 at kalahati laman. So ganito yung yan. Ganyan yung laman niya. But anyway, here. Ito yung pangalawang klase. Ganyan. Itim na yung aking ano, yung tawag niyan, yung mantika. So, nagpalit ako ng mantika guys kasi medyo marumi na yung una. Umitim siya katagalan kung niluto. But anyway, tingnan natin ulit. So, hindi pa siya mainit yung mantika natin sa pangalawang batch. So, ito yung isusunod. Ito yung sinunod kong niluto kanina. Ayan. And then next is, after nito is meron akong ganito. Madali lang itong lutuin kasi manipis. Yan siya, oh. Gyprocs fish. And then, next is, ang tawag nitong tuyo na to? Red salted herring, tunsoy. Tunsoy siya guys. Ayan, tunsoy. Wala ng mga ulo. So here is yung tuyo natin. Okay. So next nating lutuan guys is itong tunsoy. Kasi minsan lang kasi ako nakapunta dito guys. Kasi yung drive is 1 hour and half. So, may bata kasi ako. Kaya, lutuin na natin yung, sagarin na natin yung tuyo natin. Ay, inat. Hindi naman ako makaluto dun sa bahay. Kasi nasa city kami. So, ayan yung ating tonsoy. Dumi na naman yung, umitim na naman yung aking mantika. So, I guess hindi ko na lang to siya lulutuin. Kaya medyo marami na akong tuyo guys. Ito na yung tuyo ko naluto. So, huwag na lang to. Next time na lang kapag makapunta na naman ako dito. Pero yun nga lang, hindi ko pa alam kailan. So, tanggalin na natin tong tonsoy. Kasi meron pa akong last batch na lulutuin. Tonsoy pa rin. Pero ito na yung last. Ayan. So, ito na siya guys. Sasarap. Super sarap. Ito na yung last. Ito. Yung mga tonsoy ko guys, walang mga ulo. Tinanggalan na nila ng ulo bago nila bininta. Tapos sila sa isda na may ulo. So, taray. Ako. Yes. So, tama na yan. Magligpit-ligpit na ako dito. Walang saan ko ito itatapon. But definitely, hindi ko na ito lulutuin yung isa kasi madami na. So, ito na yung naluto ko. Ayan o. Madami na. Kaya, hindi ko na ito lulutuin yung isang tuyo dyan. Ito na lang. Tsaka last na to. Last na tong niluto ko dito na tonsoy. Finally, tapos na. Patay na natin. Uy. Yan. So, umusok na yung ating kawala. Maho na dito kong bulad. Ayan. So, luto na yung ating tuyo guys. Ang dami. So, tapos na ako magluto guys. And then, mag-i-impake na ako. At daling ko siya sa loob ng bahay. Ayan, tapos na ako magluto guys. Yung ating tuyo. And then, hello. We're back. We are on the way home now. So, I did not really take videos when we eat. Because it's too much people and it's too crowded. So that's what it is. But anyway, it's getting dark. We home. So time is 6:25 now in the evening. And yeah, back to reality tomorrow. And I got my dried fish cooked. That was good. My craving is relief. And yeah. We still have like probably what, an hour and a half? No, less than an hour and a half